Hello everyone, and welcome back to Camp Nou Vision. Work at the Spotify Camp Nou keeps moving forward, and this week the progress is once again clear to see. From the massive roof structures to the detailed finishing inside the stands, every part of the stadium is evolving step by step toward its new and modern look. Before we dive in, just a quick note. This channel is made especially for Barca fans and Camp Nou lovers from around the world. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and join us because the real magic of the new Camp Nou is only just beginning. Let's take a closer look at how construction is shaping the future home of FC Barcelona. Starting at the south goal, crews are working on assembling the roof structure and completing the upper framework. The shape of this end of the stadium is now clearly visible, showing how the renewed Camp Nou will soon look once finished. At the north goal, construction is showing excellent progress. The entire third cantilever is now fully closed with precast hollow core slabs, leaving just a small section that will be sealed soon. This means the upper deck of the north stand is now structurally complete, marking a key milestone for the project. Workers continue concreting the vertical pillars in multiple stages, from the base to the top floor, giving the stand a solid, finished look. In the lateral stand, activity remains intense. Workers are sealing the concrete sections, setting up steel beams, and preparing the structure that will soon support the massive roof. Stairways and internal connections are also taking shape, ensuring smooth access and visibility for future fans. At the parking area, progress is steady. Foundations, ramps, and pathways are being defined, providing the essential infrastructure that will connect fans directly to the stadium and surrounding facilities. This zone will play a key role in the arrival experience once the new Camp Nou opens to the public. Meanwhile, in the Tribuna, one of the most important areas of the project, crews are focused on precision work, strengthening beams, sealing concrete, and preparing for interior installations. This section will soon host premium seating areas and media facilities, serving as the stadium's main operational core. Looking ahead, work also advances around the future club store, which will become one of the standout features of the new complex. Designed as a spacious, modern retail hub, each week, the transformation of Camp Nou becomes more visible. From rising steel structures to the finishing of terraces and access routes, every detail brings this legendary stadium closer to its next era. A true modern home for Barca and its supporters. That's all for this update from Camp Nou Vision. If you enjoyed this week's progress, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. More exclusive looks at the construction of the Spotify Camp Nou are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.